So hello all. I just wanted to share something that is really important regarding to the Spring Data JPA. So the main concern of our topic is how we can create our own custom query in repository. Actually, we have two different ways. As we can see in documentation, the first one by deriving the query from the method name directly, and second one is by using a manually defined query. As we know that in JPA repository there are several methods: get by id that is deprecated, get reference by id, find all, delete all in batch. Okay, so I've created two projects and extended jp repository. So what are the basic concept we should know before creating the abstract method in our repository? So here I have created an abstract method, find a student by email, and passing the email here. Here I just wanted to find the student by email. Okay, these are the passing queries. So the passing query method is divided into two parts. The first part is a find by, and other part is a predicate. The find by is also known as subject part. Okay, subject part, and the any text between find and by considered to be descriptive. So here, as we can see, here is student. If you want to give, then you can, otherwise not required. Here also find student by first name equals like that. Okay, so the main thing is how the algorithm works. The algorithm starts by interpreting the entire part, like after the by. So here is email. So in a, and it will check in the domain class in uncapitalized way. So e will be small and it should be checked in student. It should be present in student.java. So yes, it is there. So it will use that property and create the SQL query or a Hibernate query. So the query will be like this: select star from student where s1 dot email, like this will generate. Okay. Okay, also we can create a complex query, like here I have created find by id and a post id. Okay, so the first rule, as we know that the algorithm starts by interpreting the entire part and check the domain class for a property with a dat name that is uncapitalized. The first after the by, so the first part is id and post id. So I will be small and it should be checked in comment.java. So id is there, so it will use that property. The main thing is post id, it is not present in comment.java. So how the algorithm works here? So the first rule will be failed here for this part. So the second rule is it splits up the source at the camel case part from the right side into the head and the tail, and tries to find the compulsory property, corresponding property. In our example, like we have a post and id, p will be small, and the tail part is id. So it will check in the domain class that is comment, is a post is present or not. Yes, we have post here. Okay, if the algorithm finds a property with a data head, it takes the tail. So the tail is small id and continue building the tree down from there. So in post we have id, like tree wise structure, it will check there. So it will, if it is there, then the query will be generated like this: select c1.id, like this. Select c from comment c, where c.id is equal to comment id and c.post.id is to comment id. Means first it will go to the comment. In comment we have property named as a post. In post we have a property name is id, and we have to pass the post id. Okay, so from this we can generate the complex query. Okay, you can also use this documentation for a better understanding. So there is a query creation, find by email and address, last name, and you should explore these this documentation part, property expression, here you can also use what is the use of underscore, what are the ambiguity problem we can face if we use method name. Okay, you should explore this. So thanks for watching, and also give me the suggestion. Thank you.